feels so weird not to be pregnant. Well, I'm not pregnant.
Kind of like you were pregnant.
Yeah. Can you look at Alex, how good she looks?
I'm back in my normal clothes, which feels good.
God. And it's been, what, 6 days now?
A week today.
A week today since, yeah, Alex has given birth, and what a roller coaster it's been. And just before anything, we just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that sent us messages and that reached out. It really means a lot.
The love was so overwhelming, wasn't it? We were so emotional, like posting all the content too. And I think it's because everything happened so quick that to watch it back and feel it and like see the story of it unfold, it was so emotional. So seeing the content come together was emotional. You guys made us emotional with your love and support as well. So yeah, we appreciate you all. Thank you so much. But today's a great day. So first time leaving the house as a family of 4. Was a little bit crazier getting out of the house this morning than usual. True? You had to think like nappy bags and what to pack and prams and yeah, crazy. But we got out of the house. We're on the way to Cairns Hospital now because Scarlett's got her hearing test. So fingers crossed her hearing is all fine and all good.
Alright, so things have changed. Pram's coming out. Do you want me to grab it for you? No. Oh, I forgot. You're not pregnant. You can grab it. No, I'm joking. She's still got stitches, as you know. But she just doesn't stop, man. She's just a trooper. Aren't you?
I feel good. I honestly do. I feel really good.
The Y62 Patrol has left Melbourne. The Nissan Patrol, brand new, unregistered, and it's on its way to Queensland.
Not long now. And it's meant to be there on the 5th, which is how many days? What's today? The 1st?
Yeah, so it's getting a GVM upgrade, as you know, the 4.99?
4499.
4499. Getting that done, and it should be back in Cairns, I don't know how long, 2 weeks, because we've been using this rental car, the MG. It's a good car, but we just want our Patrol now.
Just want our own. I'm just sick of using someone else's and having to like, you just double think it all too. It's just, yeah, I'm just over it. Because
when I go filming and I film my videos, this has got no tow bar, so we're gonna go out at 9 o'clock at night, go to the airport, pick up a rental. I'm not complaining, but we just want our own car now.
I'm not complaining, but I am complaining.
We just want our own car, man. That's all we want. Let's get into the hospital. Get this pram. This is pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah. So I don't know if we mentioned this, but the reason why we're going to get her hearing checked today is because we...
Ooh, you okay?
Is because we left the hospital so early.
Yeah, we couldn't get the hearing test done before we left because obviously we had her at 11:30. We left at 4 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, it was too quick. We couldn't get it done, so we're booked in. I just hope that her hearing's all good now. I think that it is. She's pretty alert.
Yeah, look at the fan in there.
It's too hot.
Yeah, it's really hot today. It's like, I don't know, at the moment probably 30 something, 32, 33. Come on, Ari, you alright?
Luke's got Ari. I've got Scarlett. Let's get in there.
It's a public holiday today and it's closed. So we're just gonna find out where we're gonna go. Oh my God, it's a ghost town here again. Weird being in this hospital now, man, I swear. Hey, is it weird being here now?
Yeah.
Oh, hasn't she had a feeding?
She's cluster feeding at the moment. She's just...
Oh, okay, still?
Yeah.
Ari, I'll come. Okay, don't touch it.
Oh, yeah, that'll be good. For you too, Alex. So parent name and signature when you're ready there.
So how does this work? Will she hear something and how do you know she's hearing?
She's going, the machine's going to know it. It's the smart one, not me. So it's going to put little clicking sounds into her ears.
Okay.
She needs to be asleep because her brain needs to be concentrating on the clicking and nothing else. The machine is looking for a particular pattern that she puts out in response to the clicking. Her little brainwave will come up on this machine, and once the machine has found the pattern that it's looking for, it'll say, okay, we're good.
And her hearing's all good?
Her hearing is perfect. I'll show you the machine. The dummy was a lifesaver.
Oh, the dummy always is a lifesaver, isn't it?
I know, she was so good with that.
Thank you.
Look at her. She said, this is great. I love this.
Yeah, this is
So the
alright.
machine does all the work, as I said. So that's her little brainwave pattern, left and right, that she's putting out, and that machine is looking for that big peak and a trough in both ears.
Beautiful.
2 green ticks means we're all good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So
cool.
that's great, isn't it?
You did it,
She said, I really like that. Now we take it all off.
Ari, it's all good.
Her hearing's all good.
She can
Say
hear
good
you.
job, Scarlett. You did really well too. Thank you for being quiet. Good
Yes,
job,
you
big
were
sister.
good.
What a relief that is, eh?
I'm just happy now.
Good news, her hearing's good. And that was super quick. I didn't think it was going to be that quick. It was literally like not even 5 minutes.
That's because you're used to coming to hospital appointments and waiting hours.
And we're on time for once.
Yeah, we were actually early.
Yeah.
Like, what's the time?
We went late, so
It's 12 o'clock and our appointment was at 12 o'clock. So.
yeah, we're not late.
No.
But now we're going to take Ari to the park because she deserves it, because she was so quiet in there and she was such a good girl, weren't you, Aria? Alright, we've made it to the park. There's no swing on this park, so we'll see how we go. Aria loves this good swing. Go on, Ari, go have some fun. There you are, mate. See, you're in the elevator. Give me that here. Leave your shoes on.
No.
Leave your shoes on.
No.
Leave your shoes on.
I'm sick with this park.
Where's Scarlett?
Scarlett's in here.
Where?
It's in.
Scarlett needed a feed. First public feed.
Yes, first public feed in the park.
It's just uncomfortable. I hate public feeding.
Yeah,
I hate it.
but you know
Can you
what?
tell? Like if I'm sitting here, can you tell?
Mom,
Yeah.
Mommy.
You can tell that I got my boob out.
No, you can't tell, but you got a blanket over you, so.
Yeah, but like it's not. It doesn't
I'm
make you feel uncomfortable.
Mom.
No.
Talking.
You can just see her feet sticking out from there.
I made put the fire on.
All right.
Okay, put the fire on. Where's your shoes?
Over there, Ari. We have a situation at the moment, so Aria can tell you what the issue is. What the issue is? Why do you want to move from here? What's wrong?
I don't want this park anymore. It's like a gummy shark.
Gummy shark. Everything's like a gummy shark, eh?
Everything. I said to her, do you want to come for a walk? And we'll go have a look at the water and all the crabs there, because it's low tide now, the crabs will start coming out. She's like, no, you go by yourself. I was like, what? What are you doing, Ari?
Wait, find this.
I was on the phone to Luke's nan this morning and I asked if like she could send through a newborn photo of Luke. And this is Luke as a newborn. And I was literally just saying to Luke, I actually think that Scarlett looks like Luke. I don't know if it's the skin colour. I don't know.
It's the skin colour.
How cute! But I've just asked my mum to send me a newborn photo so we can compare and then put in the comment section who you think she looks like.
Don't break her mum's heart. Her mum's been saying, oh, that's
Alex
that's Alex, that's Alex.
newborn.
So don't break her heart, please.
No, but
Actually, you can break her
be
heart. She looks
honest.
like me.
So we've got our 1 week postpartum checkup today, and I do think unfortunately that I got mastitis. Yesterday I started having a lot of pain in one area, and then I had a lot of inflammation and redness in that area, which is still staying the same. My supplies completely dropped, and all night last night I kept getting like cold chills and hot sweats. And so I'm thinking that I've got mastitis, and I'm really hoping I don't, because I'm really enjoying feeding this little one. And I don't want that to be cut short or have any supply issues or anything. And I feel like when you think about supply issues, you start having supply issues. So we're going to head to the doctor now. Fingers crossed it's nothing. Fingers crossed it's just, I don't know, my body like getting used to storing the milk. She's got the hiccups. I don't know. Fingers crossed. We'll see what they say today and then we can go from there. Is mastitis cool?
No.
So mastitis is not cool.
But no, it's not cool ever again.
Ever again. Good girl. Fingers crossed. So let's go see what they have to say. So I just got home from the doctors. Everything went really well with Scarlett's appointment. She's put on another 1.5 kilos. Oh, 1.5 kilos. She's put on another 0.15 kilos, which they're really, really happy with. And they did all the checks on her, which was all great. For myself, everything was all good with myself. I do have a mild case of mastitis. So I do have antibiotics that I'm going to be taking for the next 5 days. They said that this little one may be able to taste the antibiotics like in my milk. And she may be like, ugh, I don't want it, but eventually we'll just have it again. So I'm really hoping it doesn't affect my supply, like I said. He said that it shouldn't, and we should be all good to just continue feeding. But we do have some good news.
What's that? Oh shit, I just dropped my phone.
Don't be cracked, don't be cracked, don't be cracked.
So good. Good covers.
We do have some good news. The doctor told me that Scarlett can fly.
Oh, so she's going to come with us to Toowoomba.
Yeah, so we're going to go because we have to obviously pick up the Y62 from DMW getting the GVM upgrade done. And Luke was going to go by himself, but I was like, oh, I'd love to be able to come, but obviously can't leave this little one with anyone yet. My mum will be up in Queensland so can look after Ari, so
Some wraps.
looks like we're going on a road trip from there to here with our new Y62 in a couple of weeks, which is exciting.
Think we'll take some rods? Joking.
But just quickly, guys, I just wanted to say again, thank you for all the support, all the lovely comments. We've appreciated it all. I'm looking at all these new subscribers subscribing to this channel too, and we appreciate every single one of you. We cannot wait to keep sharing this story with you guys and sharing our journey and this life as 5, a family of 5, and we'll see you on the next episode.